So I'm back with another podcast, but I wanted to do it for a long time, and I told you guys like I will be uploading it regularly, and then I stopped. That's how my mind works. I think everyone minds. We start something new, we'll be like so excited. Oh my god, I'm gonna do this, and then after some point of time, we'll stop it, and we don't even know why that is happening, and only in few things we concentrate so much and end up doing it, and that turns out to be a bad idea, but still. So today I wanted to talk about judgments. Very serious topic, so listen carefully. Why do people judge? One basic thing, why do people judge? Because they don't have any work. That's what everyone says, that they don't have any work, that's why they are judging. No, I would say their only work is that is why they are born to judge others. Like if you step out of the house, they'll be like, why are you stepping out of the house, it's so bad outside. But if you're inside the house, they will say like, why are you always staying inside the house, you should come out and feel the good air and stuff, you should buy things for your home and all those stuff. What the fuck? That's how you feel, I understand, but that's how people are. They always want to talk about others, like like it's just in their mind. Like, so how do you avoid these judgments? I will tell you something based on my personal experience nowadays. Whenever if people comes and say like, you're having so many girlfriends, huh? I'm like, not so many, but yeah, some like five or six, and they will be like, what? They wanted to offend me, but I gave them back like, no, I have some more than what you think, and they were like, no, that's not possible. And then there was a time where like one of my friend, like he doesn't even talk to me. Like it's been a year, but he called, and all of a sudden the first thing he said over the call is, Macha, I know you're depressed. I was like, hey, you just called after 1 year. You don't even know what's happening in my life. But the first thing you're telling me is like, I know you're depressed. And then he told me like, he was trying to offer me something to do, make me do something. So he was on to that topic, so that I'll be somewhere like like, okay, then I will come into this world, and that's what people wants. People wants you to come into their world. Then I told him the same thing. Macha, right, I'm so depressed, I'm so sad. How can I do all those things? Depressed people, they can't do, they are psychopaths and everything. And he was like, hey, I didn't mean that way, Dad. And like, shut the fuck up. You say everything, and then you will say the fuck. This is what I really hated. Everyone will do everything, and then you will say, oh no, I didn't mean that way. By the way, and it's like, then what the fuck you meant? Seriously, it's irritating, and it's better way is to give it back to others. If someone judges you, give it back to them. Say them, yeah, I'm like that. So what's your problem? What is bothering you? And if you say that and see their face reaction, they'll be like, they just want to make us feel sad. And when we are accepting that and giving it back, they are like, no, you can't do that, man. You should feel upset. Why are you saying this? Now this is making me feel upset. Die. Go die, I'm telling you, die. So just ignore these people, like whatever you do, they will judge you. The only way is to do is like, just ignore, have fun, chill. That's it. You do whatever you want, that's good for you, because end of the day, you're the one who's going to suffer with your decisions. And if you're willing to suffer, you can do whatever you want, because it's your fucking life, and anything can happen any tomorrow. Like the way corona happened. Yeah, I have to end this with saying that everyone is saying, because otherwise I will not be tagged as a good person. So stay inside your home, wash your hands, and then what else? Don't touch your face, and no, don't touch. Okay, whatever, don't do anything that is harmful, and keep everyone safe. Bye bye.